International.
Hello everyone, welcome to the second video in the series introducing Phu Hao's coirmat products. In today's video, we'll be showing you how coirmats are loaded and packed into containers at Phu Hao's factory. Make sure to stay until the end of the video to understand the process and details of our product fully. 1. Purpose of packing and container loading. Proper packing and container loading are essential to ensure safety during international shipping and reduce product damage. Optimize container space, allowing more goods to be loaded per shipment. Maximize load capacity per container, helping customers save on transportation costs. coirmat packing specifications. Phu Hao's coirmats are packed in two main forms. Rolled form pieces form for larger sized products. Rolling makes transportation and container loading easier and more efficient. The weight and dimensions of each package may vary depending on the customer's specific requirements. Each product is clearly labelled with essential information such as product name, size and origin, allowing for easy inspection and traceability throughout the shipping and usage process. 3. Container loading method. Common container types. Depending on the order size, Phu Hao typically uses two main container types: 20-foot container, 20 FT, suitable for smaller shipments; 40-foot high cube container, 40 HC, the most popular option as it maximizes loading efficiency and reduces import costs. Loading arrangement. The coirmat packages are stacked horizontally along the container's length. For products of different sizes, they can be interlaced to make full use of the container's internal volume. Reference loading capacity. Here is the actual loading capacity reference for a 40 high cube container for your convenience. If you're unsure about how many quantities to order, don't worry. At Phu Hao, we provide a container load calculation chart to help you easily estimate and plan your order quantity. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video of our coirmat product series. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss more useful updates from Phu Hao.